Hey guys, this is Senia here and Nada.
Nina.
And we're gonna be doing a mustard, and she already wants to eat the mustard because she loves mustard so much.
No, I don't. I hate it. Don't.
So we're gonna have to do it. So she has to eat it again because she ate it already off of camera. So we both have a thing, and we're supposed to eat it at the same time, and then we're gonna have to do it the whole thing. So I was brave enough to get this thing. We both hate mustard so much.
This can tell I already ate some.
Okay, come on, let's do it. Nita, right, ready, set. Such a foul.
Fail. To make a woman who hates mustard eat mustard. She's a monster. I get a cookie. I'm taking your cookie now.
Guys, water got in this. This fell in the sink.
What are you doing, Danny?
So I'm gonna have to spend most time taking the water out. So guys, I love you. Bye.
Bye.
Oh gosh.